When you hear the word cat, what comes to your mind? For some people, it is a cute pet. For others, it is a wild beast. Either way, cats are one of the most mysterious animals in the world. They have been worshipped as gods, feared as monsters, and loved as companions throughout history. But how much do we really know about them? Today, we will share with you 25 interesting cat facts that you didn't know you needed, but now you can't live without. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and get ready to be amazed by our feline friends. Number 25. The domestic cat has 23 pairs of chromosomes. This means that each cell in the cat's body contains 46 chromosomes, which carry genetic information. However, there are also some cats that have an extra chromosome, which causes them to have special abilities or appearance. These cats are called mutant cats, and they can have 3 copies of a particular chromosome instead of 2. This condition is known as twistering, and it occurs randomly during the formation of the egg or sperm cells. Some examples of mutant cats include the Manx cat, which has no tail, the Scottish fold, which has folded ears, and the Sphinx cat, which has no hair. Number 24. Cats are social creatures who enjoy interacting with other cats. In fact, most cats prefer to live in groups rather than being solitary. However, they need to be carefully introduced to each other to avoid conflict. If done correctly, cats can get along well together and even develop affection for one another. It's important to note that not all cats will get along, just like humans. Some cats may not like other cats for a variety of reasons, such as personality clashes or past experiences. In these cases, it's best to keep them separate. Additionally, introducing a new cat to a multi-cat household can be stressful for all the cats involved. Therefore, it's crucial to take steps to ensure a smooth introduction process. Now 23. Although cats can be trained to use a toilet, they naturally use a litter box. Cats are naturally clean animals, and they instinctively bury their waste. They also don't want to soil their living area, so they will generally avoid defecating where they eat or sleep. However, there are some exceptions to this rule. For example, if a cat is sick or stressed, they may have accidents outside of the litter box. No. 22. Cats sweat through their paws. This is a natural process that helps them regulate their body temperature. However, cats cannot sweat through their skin like humans do. Therefore, they rely on their paw pads to dissipate heat. When cats walk on a hot surface, the heat can be transferred from their paws to the environment, helping them cool down. Number 21. Cats can sense danger before it happens. They have a sixth sense that allows them to predict when something bad is about to happen. For example, cats can sense earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and hurricanes before they occur. They also have excellent hearing and can detect sounds that are too high or too low for humans to hear. This ability allows them to detect danger, such as the sound of a car approaching, even when it is out of sight. Number 20. A group of male cats is called a clouder. This term is used to describe a group of cats that are typically found in the wild. However, it can also be used to describe a group of male cats that are kept as pets. For example, if a person has several male cats, they could refer to them as their clouder. No. 19. A group of female cats is called a quest. This term is used to describe a group of female cats that are typically found in the wild. However, it can also be used to describe a group of female cats that are kept as pets. For example, if a person has several female cats, they could refer to them as their quest. Number 18. A group of cats is called a glaring. This term is used to describe any group of cats, regardless of gender. For example, if a person has both male and female cats, they could refer to them as their glaring. Number 17. The average lifespan of an indoor cat is 13 to 17 years. However, some cats have lived much longer lives. The oldest cat on record lived to be 38 years old. This exceptional lifespan was likely due to a combination of factors, including good genetics, a healthy diet, and regular veterinary care. It's important to note that the lifespan of a cat can vary depending on several factors, including diet, exercise, environment, and overall health. Number 16. A female cat can go into heat when she is ready to mate. This typically occurs during the spring and summer months, when there is plenty of daylight. The cat will meow loudly to attract a mate. If a male cat is nearby, he will likely respond to the call and attempt to mate with her. Number 15. The gestation period for a cat is approximately 63 to 65 days. During this time, the mother cat will give birth to kittens. The number of kittens can vary, with an average litter size of 4 to 6 kittens. However, some cats can have as many as 12 kittens in a single litter. Number 14. Newborn kittens are completely dependent on their mother for survival. They cannot see or hear at birth, and must rely on their sense of smell to find their mother's nipples. Newborn kittens are also unable to regulate their body temperature, so they must stay close to their mother or other warm objects to stay warm. Number 13. When cats purr, they are usually happy and content. Purring is a natural behavior that cats exhibit when they are relaxed and enjoying themselves. It is believed that the purr is produced by the cat's larynx, and it has a calming effect on both the cat and its owner. However, cats can also purr when they are in distress. This is known as comfort purring, and it is thought to be a self-soothing behavior. Number 12. Cats are crepuscular, which means they are most active at dawn and dusk. This is because cats are natural predators, and these times of day offer the best opportunity to hunt prey. Cats also have excellent night vision and can see well in low light conditions. This allows them to hunt effectively at dawn and dusk when the light is fading. Number 11. Cats can jump up to 6 times their height. This is due to their flexible spines and powerful hind legs. Cats also have sharp claws that help them grip onto surfaces, making it easier for them to climb and jump. Number 10. Cats have more than 100 vocalizations. This means that cats can communicate with humans and other cats using a wide range of sounds. Each vocalization has a different meaning, and cats use them to express their needs and desires. For example, meowing is a common form of communication between cats and humans. Cats meow to get attention, food, or to express other needs. Number 9. Cats have a natural instinct to climb. This is because they are natural predators, and climbing allows them to get closer to their prey. Cats also like to climb because it gives them a sense of security. Being up high gives them a sense of control over their surroundings and makes them feel safe. Number 8. Cats can swim, but most of them don't like to. Cats have webbed feet, which help them paddle through the water. However, they don't have the ability to float, so they need to keep their heads above the water to breathe. Some cats enjoy swimming, especially if they are introduced to it at a young age. Number 7. Cats are excellent hunters. They have sharp claws and teeth that they use to catch and kill their prey. Cats also have excellent night vision and hearing, which helps them locate their prey. Number 6. Cats are loyal and affectionate animals who can form strong bonds with their owners. Cats also like to give their owners gifts, such as dead animals or toys. This is a sign of trust and affection. They are able to groom themselves and use a litter box, which makes them relatively easy to care for. However, cats still need love and attention from their owners. They enjoy playing and interacting with their owners and need to be socialized from an early age. Number 4. Cats have a unique ability to sense when someone is watching them. They have excellent hearing and can pick up on the slightest noise, even if it is coming from a hidden source. This allows them to detect when someone is watching them, and they will often turn around to face the person. Cats also have a keen sense of sight and can see well in low light conditions. This allows them to detect the outline of a person watching them, even if they cannot see the person's face. Number 3. The domestic cat is a carnivore, which means that they eat meat. They require a diet that is high in protein and fat to stay healthy. Cats cannot obtain the nutrients they need from plant-based foods. Therefore, they must eat meat to survive. Cats are also obligate carnivores, which means that they must eat meat to survive. Their digestive system is not able to break down plant matter and absorb nutrients from it. Therefore, a cat's diet should consist entirely of meat. Number 2. The domestic cat is a member of the Felidae family, which includes all types of cats. There are over 40 species of cats in the world, ranging in size from the small rusty spotted cat to the large tiger. Despite their differences in size and appearance, all cats belong to the same family, Felidae. 9. The domestic cat is believed to have originated in Africa. They were domesticated from wild cats sometime between 4,000 and 1,000 years ago. The oldest evidence of cat domestication was found in Egypt, where archaeologists discovered the remains of a cat that had been mummified. The cat is believed to have lived around 1500 BC. Cats were initially domesticated for their ability to control rodents, which were a problem in human settlements. Over time, they became popular as pets and were revered as sacred animals in many cultures.